My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Bmw X3. This is the M Sport Edition. It has an automatic transmission with a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access notifications, my vehicle and connected drive, navigation, communication and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. You have the choice of 4 different driving modes: adaptive, sport, comfort and eco pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.